Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the FaceTime incoming call ringtone sound on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, go down and tap on FaceTime. Then scroll down and in here tap on Sounds. Next, go down the list here and change the ringtone. So select a ringtone to change for the FaceTime app. So here I'm going to select the unfold sound and then tap on the back key. And that's it. So that is how you can change your FaceTime ringtone sound on the iPhone 15 series. And while you are in here, you can also change whether you want to set it to vibration or not. If you don't want to have vibration for FaceTime, you can also choose haptics and then simply go down and select none. If you want to turn on or turn off vibration for your FaceTime incoming call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.